Hi everyone, and welcome to this 𝗀𝗍𝗃𝗏 tutorial on how to turn a single Canva design into a complete content campaign. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to use Canva's built-in tools like brand kits, styles, and resize to create a cohesive, professional-looking campaign you can use across any platform. Let's get started. When you first open Canva, start on the home screen and click the brand icon on the left-hand side. This is a pro feature, but it is absolutely worth it if you're building a consistent visual identity. Here, you can create a brand kit by adding your organization's name or whatever you want to call your brand, uploading your logos, setting your brand colors, and selecting the fonts you'll use across all designs. You can even upload brand photos, graphics, icons, and charts to keep everything in one place. I already have a brand kit created, so here's an example of what it looks like. Everything is neatly stored and automatically syncs whenever I start a new project. This is what gives your work that polished, professional look. Consistency across graphics, posts, and presentations. Now let's put your brand kit into action. From the home screen, type something like Professional Business Event Flyer into the search bar. Look through the templates and find one that fits your campaign, and open it. Once you're in the design, look to the left panel and select Design. Then switch over to the Styles tab. Here, you'll see your brand kit automatically appear along with other recent design styles. Try clicking your brand color palette in brand fonts to instantly apply your custom look to the flyer. You can also scroll down to explore additional combinations or shuffle your palette for inspiration. You can tweak your layout, updating your text, and swapping graphics until it fits your campaign vision. Even if this example isn't perfect, the goal is to get comfortable experimenting because Canva's real power is how fast it lets you iterate and see results in real time. Now that you know how to apply your brand to a basic graphic, let's design it a step further by turning this single piece into an entire campaign. Head to the top left corner and click Resize. This is another pro feature that makes your workflow incredibly efficient. Here, you can choose from custom dimensions or select from Canva's built-in sizes like Instagram posts, LinkedIn banners, postcards, or flyers. When you click Resize, Canva automatically copies your layout and reformats it for a new platform. You can repeat this as many times as you like, creating all your needed campaign assets, from print flyers to social posts to email headers, all staying perfectly on brand. The best part is that Canva saves every resized version to your home screen, keeping your campaign organized in one workspace. This feature alone can save hours of design time and helps ensure your message stays consistent no matter where it's shared. If your campaign includes motion content, Canva's video templates make it just as simple. Start by selecting a video template and then open the Design and Styles tab again. Apply your brand kit and replace the default photos with your own, and update the text to reflect your campaign message. You can easily resize, crop, and edit each clip so that every element fits your brand from tone to text. This process might take a bit more fine-tuning, but once you get used to it, it's one of the fastest ways to produce consistent professional video content that stands out. And it's as simple as that. With just a few tools, brand kit, styles, and resize, you can turn one simple Canva design into a fully branded, multi-platform content campaign. These tools aren't just convenient, but they elevate your professionalism, save time, and make sure every piece of content reflects your brand's unique voice. Thank you for watching this 𝗀𝗍𝗃𝗏 tutorial.